So maybe you jumped on this video because your doctor diagnosed you with prediabetes or diabetes and you're wondering, what on earth can I eat for breakfast? Perhaps you're already following a low carb or keto diet, but let's be real, bacon and eggs gets old fast. If that sounds like you, stick around because today I'm sharing 4 delicious low carb breakfast options that are perfect for balancing blood sugar and keeping cravings in check. Hi, I'm Ryan, your keto cousin, and I am here to help you navigate metabolic health with simple, researched-backed strategies. I've been on my own journey reversing prediabetes, so I know how overwhelming it can feel to try to find the right foods. But don't worry, I've got you covered. And in this video, we'll explore 4 satisfying breakfasts that won't spike your blood sugar, and I'll even share a few personal tips to make these meals work for you. So let's start with why breakfast is so important, especially if you're managing insulin resistance or diabetes. So research shows that a protein-rich breakfast, ideally at least 30 grams of protein, helps stabilize blood sugar, reduces cravings, and provides sustained energy throughout the day. This amount not only fuels your body, but also supports muscle maintenance and keeps you feeling full for hours. Skipping breakfast or restricting calories in the morning often leads to overeating later when your willpower is at its lowest. Plus, if you're leptin resistant, eating a nutrient-dense breakfast first thing can help regulate your hunger hormones and improve satiety signals. So whether you're new to managing blood sugar or looking for better breakfast ideas, here is what I recommend. So our first option is the tried and true classic: 3 to 4 eggs, bacon, and avocado. And this meal is high in protein and healthy fats, giving you the lasting energy and keeping your blood sugar stable. If you're someone who enjoys carbs with your breakfast, so here is a pro tip. Pair your carbs with a fiber-rich veggie and eat the veggie first. For example, if I decide to add a slice of gluten-free toast or bagel with my eggs, I always have alongside it some steamed broccoli. Trust me, it works wonders for blunting your blood sugar spikes, but ideally you should stick to a low-carb plate for best results. So this combo is a breakfast powerhouse that will keep you satisfied for hours. So next up is a make-ahead favorite, a protein yogurt bowl. So you want to start with unsweetened Greek yogurt and add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. And you can top it with low glycemic berries like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and then you can sprinkle some ground flaxseed or coconut flakes for added fiber and healthy fats. If you want some crunch, my keto granola recipe is perfect for this. This is perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick and portable. So to keep everything fresh, you can pack the toppings separately and mix them when you're ready to eat. So this is a fantastic grab and go option that will keep your blood sugar steady, and it really does taste amazing. So one serving will give you about 35 to 40 grams of protein if you combine Greek yogurt with the protein powder and add some of those flax seeds. And here's the best part. This bowl will keep your carbs low, only about 8 to 10 grams, depending on how many berries you decide to add. So next up, if you love oatmeal, but you recognize that the carbs are an issue, I've got something better: no oatmeal. But I liken it more to like a hearty porridge. It is high protein, high fiber. It uses hemp hearts, ground flax, coconut flour, and whatever milk of your choice as a base. Here I used coconut milk and heavy cream. I add a scoop of protein powder for an extra protein boost, and you can mix in nut butter and add your favorite low carb sweetener for more flavor. It is packed with around 30 grams of protein thanks to ingredients like hemp hearts, the flax seeds, and of course the protein powder. Plus it's super low in carbs, only about 5 to 7 grams. It's a quick, satisfying meal that won't take your blood sugar on a roller coaster. So I've got the full recipe for this one, so you can check it out if you want step-by-step instructions on how to make it. So last but definitely not least is a warm, nutrient-dense packed bone broth soup. It's very simple. You just combine bone broth with some shredded chicken, your favorite veggies like spinach or zucchini, and a healthy fat like ghee or olive oil. You're looking at about 30 to 35 grams of protein and just 5 to 8 grams of carbs. It's hearty, it's nutrient dense, and it's an excellent option for supporting gut health. So not only is this breakfast incredibly filling, but the bone broth supports gut health, which plays a crucial role in managing insulin resistance. So this is comfort food at its best and a perfect way to start your day on a cold morning. So which of these breakfasts are you most excited to try? Or do you have your favorite go-to low-carb breakfast? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out the recipes for these meals and check out my guide and journal, Metabolic Mastery. It's a guide for managing blood sugar and optimizing your health. The link is in the description. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone on a low-carb journey, and I'll see you next time.